Good morning, students. I'm so excited because if everything goes well, I'll be with you guys tomorrow. I'm really excited about that. I'm looking forward to meeting each of you and getting to know each of you better tomorrow. So, in yesterday's lesson, we know that we focused just on the continent of Europe. We know we learned the 7 continents and 5 oceans, and now we're focusing specifically on the continent of Europe. Yesterday, you located the 7 countries of Europe that the state of Georgia wants you to be able to locate. Spain is the first country in Europe that you had to learn, followed by the United Kingdom, the only island country that we have to locate. Then France, the fashion capital of the world. We know Italy, shaped like a boot, our boot-shaped country. Then we have Germany. Lots of things in history have taken place in Germany. This is Hitler's home, Germany. Then Ukraine. We know Ukraine had a major environmental concern. A nuclear disaster occurred in Chernobyl, Ukraine, and we'll be talking about that. And then the last country that you guys had to locate is Russia. Russia is so large that it's located on 2 continents, Europe and Asia. Make sure you study these 7 countries in Europe and you know where they're located on a map. Now, in today's lesson, you guys are going to locate the physical features in Europe. The physical features in Europe. So, the first physical feature you guys are going to have to locate is the Iberian Peninsula. The country of Spain is located on the Iberian Peninsula. Then we have the Pyrenees Mountains. The Pyrenees Mountains separate Spain from France. Here is the Pyrenees Mountains. Then we have the Alp Mountains. The Alps are the fur in our boot. They're located right up above our boot-shaped country, which is Italy. So we say the Alps are the fur in our boot. Then we come to the North European Plain. Now the North European Plain actually stretches a great distance across the northern part of the continent of Europe. Now, this is the North European Plain, stretches all the way through here. Then we have the Ural Mountains. Now, the Ural Mountains are unique because the Ural Mountains separate the European side of Russia from the Asian side of Russia. Now, we know Russia is the largest country in the world. It's so large, it's located on 2 continents, Europe and Asia. So the Ural Mountains separate the European side of Russia from the Asian side of Russia. Now, we've got our bodies of water we have to look at. Now, it's not located on this map or it's not written on this map, but right here is the English Channel. The English Channel separates the United Kingdom from France. Right here, this body of water right here is the English Channel. Now, down here we have the Mediterranean Sea. The country of Italy is sticking out into the Mediterranean Sea. This is the Mediterranean Sea. Then we have 2 rivers. The Rhine River starts in the Alps Mountains, flows through Germany, flows through the Netherlands, and then empties into the North Sea. Right here is the Rhine River. Then our last river that we have to locate is the Danube River. The Danube River also starts in Germany. It starts in the Black Forest of Germany. It flows through 9 countries and then it empties into the Black Sea, the Danube River. So it starts in the Black Forest of Germany, flows through 9 countries, and then empties into the Black Sea. So let's review. We have 3 mountain ranges, the Pyrenees Mountains, the Alps, and the Ural Mountains, which are located in Russia. Okay. We have 4 bodies of water, the English Channel, the Mediterranean Sea, the Rhine River, and the Danube River, okay? And then we have a peninsula. Spain is located on the Iberian Peninsula. To be a peninsula, you touch water on 3 sides, okay? This is the Iberian Peninsula. And then we have the North European Plain, which stretches a great distance across the northern part of Europe. Guys, listen. Make sure you label this map very neatly. All of these physical features can be very, very confusing. You can look back at your brace map to know how to spell each of these places. Guys, please take your time and do a very neat job of this. I want you to color the mountains brown, the water blue, the Iberian Peninsula yellow, and then I want you to color the North European Plain green. And you're going to trace the rivers blue, okay? So make sure you do a neat job with this, as we will need to know these physical features on the continent of Europe. Now, guys, remember, we are respectful, we are responsible, we are reliable, we are the rebels, and I hope to see you all tomorrow. Have a fantastic day.